Schoolphix. Creating a lesson plan. To create a lesson plan, simply execute these easy steps. 1. Log into your dashboard. 2. Click on Select a Subject. Select a subject from the drop-down list of subjects you teach. 3. Click on Lesson Plan. You would be redirected to the lesson plan page. 4. Click on Create Lesson Plan. 5. Click on Select Week and select the week of the lesson plan. 6. Enter a reference book, if necessary, and other relevant information. 7. Click on Publish and alert admin. You will see a notification saying, Lesson plan has been published successfully and admin has been alerted. After creating a lesson plan for one subject, you can easily create for another subject by simply clicking on Select another subject. Select the next subject, and you will be redirected to the lesson plan page for that subject. Click on Create Lesson Plan, select the week, input all the relevant information, and click on the Publish and Alert Admin button.